Proudly presented by Smart Hire. Today, Smart Hire will be demonstrating how to start and use a radiant gas heater, otherwise known as a thermal gas heater. As with every machine, begin by reading the warning labels and familiarising yourself with the machine itself. When ready, wheel it into the desired location and secure the heater using the fixing chain on the back. To adjust the height, simply unravel and remove the fixing bolt from the shaft of the heater and slide the interior adjustment shaft up to the desired height. Then slide the fixing bolt back into the shaft of the heater and tighten the locking nut. To prepare to start the heater, make sure the gas is firmly closed without any leaks. Then begin to attach and tighten the hose fitting, keeping in mind that it is a reverse thread and must be spun left to tighten. Once the hose is fitted securely, the gas valve on the bottle may be opened, and the valve at the head of the heater itself may be opened too. Once both gas valves are opened, the ignition pull cord may be grasped and pulled down 1 to 5 times to ignite the burner. Now simply wait for the heater to warm up before enjoying the warmth of your machine. When done, simply turn off the head gas valve first and allow the heater to cool. You are then free to turn off the gas bottle and remove the hose fitting. Then simply reverse the setup process by contracting the shaft and packing away the machine. To hire this machine and many more, visit the team in store at Smart Hire.